Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about new watch face. Yes, Apple has finally released new watch faces. Yes, we have been waiting for new wallpapers on our iPhones, but guess what? We at least have a new watch face on our watches, right? So Apple just announced Black Unity collection for the Apple Watch as a part of Black History Month in February. With that, the company released a new watch face called Unity Lights. Here is everything you need to know. Let's start. The Unity wallpaper is supported for Apple Watch Series 4 users and later, which includes the Apple Watch Series 4, Apple Watch Series 5, Apple Watch Series 6, Apple Watch Series 7 and the Apple Watch SE. Basically all the watches after the Series 3. Don't worry, I am going to talk about a trick to get the same watch face on your Apple Watch Series 3 too. So don't worry, just stay tuned to this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. So apparently this trick was actually worked by my friend. He told me that this trick worked for him. So it is basically really simple. So what he did is, I will link the same page in the description. He just went to the Apple web page and there he just clicked on add to watch faces, and after clicking on that, it just got added to his watch face collection. I don't know, even I was surprised, but apparently maybe it's a bug, but I mean, it's a good bug, not gonna lie. So he did said that it worked for him, so fingers crossed, hope so this will also work for you guys. Let's talk about more of this watch face, why this watch face exists, and let's talk about it. As a part of Black History Month in February, they released this watch face. There are new bands too that came alongside this watch faces. So let me know down in comments below, have you grabbed one of these new watch faces and new watch bands? Have you ordered them? I have not really, because it is just so damn expensive. In order to add this watch face to your watch collection, you just have to open the watch app on your iPhone, then go to face gallery. On the bottom of your screen you will see the face gallery. There are three buttons. In the middle there is face gallery. Click on that, and after that on the new watch faces section, select Unity Lights and then tap add. Boom, that's it. Yes, it was that easy, right? But still, if you still don't see that, try updating your watch, and after that, if you still don't see that, restart your watch and your iPhone, then you will see this watch face on your watch app. Personally, I'm a big fan of this watch face. I'm just loving how Apple is just adding new watch faces to Apple Watch. Yes, this year has not really been really amazing for wallpapers on iPhone and watch faces really, but no, I just don't mind having these small little watch faces coming around on my watch in every 6 or 4 months, you know. We will also have some new spring collection of watch bands and watch faces arriving to our watches really soon, so I know you guys are hyped for it too. I will talk more about it in my future videos, so consider hitting that subscribe button. Yeah, for real though, hit that subscribe button. We are so damn close to 10k. I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed and it was informative. If it was, you know what to do. Peace out, have a great day everyone.